Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So me and Adrian, here's Adrian over here, we're coming back from my Disney trip for my 35th birthday, but this is a fasting video because I wanted to do like an intro video to my fasting challenge that I'm going to be doing. We were on vacation from May 12th to through today, and I ate every single day. Haven't done that in a very long time, but I wanted to enjoy my birthday vacation. But I wanted to do this video because I have a alternate day fasting challenge that I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be from May 19th through June 2nd. That's eating every other day for 36 hours. 36 hours of no eating, followed by a 12-hour eating window. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I know there's a lot of people who want to try to do ADF, and sometimes having support is, good encouragement. So I need that encouragement too, because I'm coming off of eating a lot of food on this vacation and enjoying myself, and I want to get back into the swing of things with my fasting schedule. So that's what we're going to do. I'm probably going to post all of my completed fast on my Instagram stories and then on my YouTube community tab. And if you want to share your struggles, your victories, or anything, you can share on the story, on your stories, and tag me at iFancyCupcakes and use the hashtag ADF challenge. And then of course on the YouTube community tab, you can talk to the other ladies and people who are doing the challenge as well. It can be pretty difficult if you are a beginner, but even now, I've been doing it for over a year, and some days I just can't do it, but it's worth trying, and it's still beneficial. If you can't make it through all the 36 hours, it's still beneficial. So I'll have like all the rules and disclaimers and stuff in the description box for you guys. Adrian's done some 36-hour fasts with me before, because some people ask, does he do it with me? Sometimes he will. You want to say hey?
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, what do you think about the 36-hour fast?
I think once you get used to it, it's all right. But I would suggest starting with 18-6 and building yourself up.
I would too.
Because the first time I did it, I got headaches.
Yeah.
So I think you just need to build yourself up. And then once you feel comfortable enough, then go for it.
Yeah, I think so too. And I told you guys in my 50 pounds lost video, like, watch my whole wellness journey playlist, because I have a lot of good content there. I didn't start off with 36-hour fast because it's too much. It's too much for a beginner, unless you're just somebody who is like, you're ready to go for it. I spent the first 3 or 4 months of my journey doing like 20-hour fast on average, and then I discovered ADF through Colleen Marie Cares, and I did 36-hour fast, but I didn't do it perfectly. I've only done one perfect month of ADF, and that was in March. But the majority of my journey, I've done dirty fast, which is consuming less than 50 calories. I'll drink like low calorie Gatorade, Crystal Light, stuff like that, and I'll take vitamins and stuff. But I'll have resources and stuff in the comments, not the comments, but the description box for you guys. The informational carousel for this ADF challenge, I have that link so you guys can read. And if you still have like questions, you can ask me and I'll get back to you. Somebody asked me, will we have a group chat? I'm not going to have a group chat because I don't want it to get like overwhelming for me, because I still have to work and stuff. But the community tab is where we'll like gather and share stuff. And if you want to share pictures, you can just tag me on Instagram on your stories, or you can DM me different pictures and stuff like that if you want to share, So I just want to do like a quick intro video for anybody on my YouTube that wants to participate in this challenge. So I'll see you guys around and in my stories and on YouTube, on my community tab and stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, one last thing I wanted to mention to you guys. It's later on in the day where I'm recording this, but this week of vlogs is going to be kind of all over the place because I'll be posting some of my Disney World content and vlogs, and then I'll have some older vlogs, like Fast With Me vlogs mixed in. So just keep in mind the vlogs are not going to be sequential exactly. So keep that in mind, and good luck on the fasting journey or the fasting. The description box, and go to the post on my Instagram so you can see like everything and how I have it set up.